At Reelcraft, we've optimized our line of products so that no matter the job, we're ready when you are. We have reels for water applications, air applications, fuel and gas applications, electric applications, oil applications, welding applications, grounding applications, and more. We have reels for medium duty, premium duty, heavy duty, and ultimate duty. Our reels also have adjustable settings. The guide arm on most of our reels can be adjusted from 2 to 7 different positions, depending on the series. We also have numerous mounting accessories, ensuring that your reel is right where you need it, when you need it. Made in the USA, but built with you in mind, Reelcraft is ready when you are.